Oh my gosh, don't wait 4 years. I mean, to me, I should have heard this 4 years ago. I should have been here 4 years ago, and I probably should have done it again today. I mean, to me, this is not just I learned this lesson and I'm done. I'm going to be taking this information and building and building and building. And even the guys who are here for the second time, I mean, they feel the same way. I mean, there's so much. Whether I had learned this before I'd ever taken another training, I would have improved a huge amount. And for me, I already know I'm going to go home and I'm going to redo my pricing, and I'm going to get rid of those smaller packages that I was like, I just want to get out there. I mean, to me, I can see a path to being able not only to be worth it, but to show that bride, that potential client, that I am worth it. And not just because I am, but it's because I'm worth it for them. And so, yeah, I should have done this 4 years ago. Yes, 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 and yes. Yes. Just that I love you. I mean, your whole heart is in this room. And I truly feel like one of your bride and grooms. I mean, I feel like you gave me what you've been giving all of them. Every single moment, you cared more about what I was getting out of it than what I had paid into it or anything else. I mean, the money was, yes, I needed to pay you because you need to eat, but that was never on your mind once we were in this class, and I felt that every single moment. And I love you for that.